Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a stylist outfit poster in Heartopia. So Heartopia just added a brand new feature that will let you to turn your current outfit into a beautiful fashion poster. It even display all items you're wearing, like maybe your top, bottom, shoes, and accessories. And it will make it super easy to show off your favorite outfit combinations. And here's how to make one. First, just open the Dress Up menu, this one. Customize your character with any outfit that you like. For example, in here I want to change my shirt, and then in here you will see the share icon, and then next just tap on it, and just like that your character will automatically pose like this. And then next you can just tap on this arrow to choose your the another designs or another templates that you want. Like this, you can see you can choose the templates that you want like this, and then after that just simply next if you're satisfied with the designs, and just like that next you can just share it directly on your favorite social media platforms. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.